Welcome now. We know we're the phoenix rising from the ashes. We just got the message of transcendence. This phoenix has to do with the full moon. We had our Aries total solar eclipse is connected to our full moon in Scorpio, and we will be the phoenix rising from the ashes, birth anew, a whole new person. Remember, this is connected to what's happening with Mercury retrograde, and it's happening in the mind. It's happening in the mind, and that's how we're coming together. But we have to clear this up. We have to clear up the storm right now, but we have to honor the storm within the heavens is creating harmonies. Remember, there's a harmony within the heavens. There's nothing to fear. This storm is re-electrifying the air. There's a new charge within the mind. And we're getting the message of transcendence in part 2. We started off with that, and that has to do with where we are here, which will be linked down below, or you can find at the channel. So, you're being called to rise from struggles and limitations like a phoenix out of the ash. But to do that, you must allow yourself to become ash. How many times have you sat safely within the narrow confines of your life, comfortable in your current thoughts, beliefs, and expectations, and then out of the blue, something shocking happens that completely destroys your picture, your peace, your harmony. It blows your mind and throws you for a loop. Well, this is exactly the time we're in. There is a sudden realization that your comfort was based on an inadequate foundation of false thoughts, belief, and action. This is a humbling, frightening, but necessary experience. There is an experience that shakes the foundation of your current sense of security and forces you to question your strongly held beliefs, perceptions, attitudes, and behaviors. It's likely to bring chaos in its wake. And that's exactly what's happening, right? This is it. We're in the time of transcendence, right? As Mercury goes retrograde and we reinvent this new person. Thank you right there, confirmation. And within the mind, okay? Within the mind. Confirmation from the universe, okay? So we need to start asking ourselves, what structures in my life are breaking up? No doubt you'll already be very aware of where the turmoil is and destruction, but sometimes it can be more subtle at a subconscious level. With any destruction, there comes creation. Truth and honesty has come like a bolt of lightning through your current experience in order to cause you to grow past your present level. You are being called towards a major shift in consciousness. Practice non-attachment if things are falling apart. Let them fall apart. Build something entirely new from the ashes of what remains. And we're going through an challenging time in order to learn an important lesson. Do not resist it. Even though it's shocking and hard, deal with it. It's a very important part of life's journey. So this is all to do with our transformation and what we're afraid of. And what we're afraid of is change. And because this change is bringing on destruction and pain. And that's why we're resisting it. In order to create big change, you are the big change you're seeking. You need to go through a period of discomfort. It is natural to fear discomfort and pain. Have some compassion for yourself. You'll not be at your best during this transition. And whoa, I don't know if any of you guys joined in at the last time we met up, but I was not feeling my very best going through this transformation myself. But hey, as long as we were joined with friends. We had Biscuit Boo, who's over here, right here. We're always joined with friends. Hey, Mom. And we got this guy. Woo. Hello, Tofu. Hello, Biscuit. Okay. Let's get back here. And don't forget, we know we're in a time of metamorphosis because we ended up here.